What if I told you that you could create stunning professional quality videos for free using AI? Yes, for free. Today, I'm going to reveal the secret tool that makes it all possible. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to create amazing videos in just minutes. Hey there! Welcome back to AI Unlocked HQ, where we explore the best AI tools to supercharge your creativity and productivity. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our weekly AI hacks and tutorials. Today, we're diving into the world of free AI video generators, and I'll show you how to create jaw-dropping videos using Kling AI, a tool that's taking the internet by storm. Let's face it, creating high-quality videos can be time-consuming and expensive. You need to write scripts, record footage, edit everything, and sometimes even hire professionals. But what if there was a way to simplify this entire process? That's where AI video generators come in. These tools use artificial intelligence to help you create videos quickly and easily, even if you have zero editing skills. And the best part? Kling AI is completely free to use, making it the perfect solution for beginners, content creators, and business owners who want to produce professional videos without breaking the bank. Let's talk about Kling AI, the free AI video generator that's changing the game. Kling AI allows you to create videos by simply uploading a script or entering some text. The AI does the rest, generating a video complete with visuals, animations, and even voiceovers. Here's how it works. First, head over to the Kling AI website. The link is in the description below. Create a free account, and once you're logged in, you'll see an easy-to-use dashboard. Next, click on Create Video and paste your script into the text editor. For example, let's say we're making a video about the benefits of meditation. Here's a quick script you can use. Meditation is a powerful tool for reducing stress and improving focus. In just 10 minutes a day, you can transform your mental health. Start your journey today. Once your script is ready, select a video style. Kling AI offers options like professional, casual, or even fun and animated themes. For this example, let's go with a clean, professional style. Finally, hit the Generate button, and Kling AI will create your video in just a few minutes. It automatically adds visuals, transitions, and a voiceover to match your script. You can preview the video and make adjustments if needed. So, what makes Kling AI stand out compared to other AI video generators? First, it's completely free, which is rare for tools of this quality. Second, the interface is super intuitive even for beginners. And third, the AI-generated visuals and voiceovers are surprisingly professional. Compared to paid tools like Pictory or InVideo, Kling AI offers a similar level of quality without any upfront cost. While it might not have as many customization options as premium tools, it's perfect for quick, high-quality video creation. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Kling AI and start creating amazing videos for free today. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment and let me know what kind of video you plan to create with Kling AI. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.